Indian culture and Western culture. They are diametrically opposite to each other. As coin has two sides, both culture have some merits and demerits. Indian culture is a mix of diversities in customs, rituals, traditions, language, etc. that varies from region to region within the country. It is one of the oldest and combination of various cultures. On the other hand, Western culture it is quite advanced and open. The norms, beliefs, values, traditions, customs, and the practices are greatly inspired by Europe. Moreover, Western culture include British culture, French culture, Spanish culture. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Indian Friends. So in this video, you will find the most important differences between Indian culture and Western culture. Let's get started. Firstly, the Indian culture. Indian culture is the ancient and one of the most popular culture in the world. India is very well known for its rich cultural heritage, which is combination of customs, traditions, lifestyle, religion, languages, rituals, cuisines, etc. depending upon the area. Guests are considered God here, Atithi Deva Bhava. People welcome them with joining hands and smile on their face. Not only the guests, but here people worship animals, statues, rivers, stones, etc. Indian culture is now divided into two categories, which are traditional and modern one. In traditional culture, people give more importance to their society, community come first according to them, but this scenario is changing slowly with the impact of westernization. About 3-4 decades ago, only arranged marriages are common, where the parents of the bride and groom choose the spouse for their child and decide about the marriage. But now, love marriages are also equally respected. These are so many festivals celebrated in the country like Holi, Diwali, Dashera, Eid, Christmas, Baisakhi, Navratri, etc. Here you can see the variety of clothing depending upon the region. The Indian women prefer sari or salwar kameez with dupatta, whereas dhoti kurta and kurta pajama is traditional outfit of man in India. Here transparent, revealing and tight fit dresses are not likened. Hindi is the most popular language of the country, but there are 122 major languages which are spoken in India. In India, there are variety of cuisines like northern, southern, eastern, western, etc., which are different spices and ways of making them. Indian sculpture and architecture is also world famous. Now, the Western culture. Western culture is referred as the modern and advanced culture in the world. The main pillars of the Western culture are capitalism, individualism, rights, ethical values, etc. You can see Western culture in America, Germany, Spain, Europe, etc. Here, most people belong to Christianity. People give more importance to their wants, needs, desires, and happiness. Nobody has time to think about other people, think about them because they are busy in doing their own business. If we talk about marriages, love marriages and live-in relationships are very popular in Western countries. People do not have strong bonds with their family. They leave home after reaching certain age to become self-dependent. Youngsters earn and learn at the same time. Western architecture, paintings, and musics are highly admired across the world. Ballet dance and ballroom dance are the popular dance forms here. In Western culture, people are more concerned about their health, and this is why they prefer heavy lunch and a light dinner. Their food contain less oil and spices. When it's about clothing, people like to wear what they desire. There is no restriction on wearing anything. English, French, American, Spanish, etc. are the most common languages spoken in the Western countries. So guys, what do you think? Which culture is better? Indian culture or Western culture? Write in the comment box. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you liked the video. Please like the video, subscribe my channel and also follow me on the Instagram. I will give you link in the description. Thank you guys. Bye bye.